given a list, 7.6, given a list of numbers with elements all sorted in ascending order, determine and print the number of distinct elements in it. So let's use a for item in A. And let's count. And if you want to be more specific, count distinct elements equals 0. Our count's going to start at 0. So what are we going to do at the end? We're going to print our count of distinct elements. But first we got to count them. So for item in A, actually, for item in A doesn't work that well. For I in range, length of A, and from 1, because we want to look back. I want to be able to look back. I want to start from index 1 and look back at that and see if it's different. So I don't want to store another variable and think about that for going through the items. So I'm going to say you know what? Distinct elements should start at 1. In fact, yeah, if there's nothing in the list, then we'll just it's given a list of numbers. So there's not going to be a case where there's no distinct numbers. So we're going to start at 1. And if we look at this and it's different, if we look at the second number and it's different from the first, so if A at I is unequal to A of I minus 1, well then count distinct elements plus equals 1, add a distinct element to it until we get to the end. Once we get to the end, this will count. Like if this is different than that, it'll count. But this is not different than that. But this is different than that, so it'll count. This is not different, so it won't count. This is not different, so it won't count. And that's basically all you need to do. Let's test this code. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and we should get 3 elements. If we submit our code, we see that everything works just fine.